इंडियन सुपर लीग, विच इज इंडियाज प्रीमियर फुटबॉल टूर्नामेंट, इज इन डायर क्राइसिस। हाल ही में सुनील छेत्री, संदेश चंद्रन और गुरप्रीत सिंह संधू जैसे प्लेयर्स ने स्टेटमेंट इशू किया है दैट आर एंगर एंड फ्रस्ट्रेशन हैज टर्न इनटू डेस्परेशन टू प्ले द गेम दैट वी लव। वेल, वो टूर्नामेंट जो कि सितंबर में शुरू हो जाना चाहिए था इज नो वे नियर इट्स बिगिनिंग, और ऐसा इसलिए हुआ है बिकॉज द लीग हैज फेल्ड टू अट्रैक्ट एनी ऑफ द बिड्स फॉर इट्स कमर्शियल राइट्स इन द रिसेंटली हेल्ड ऑक्शन। Well, let's see that what are the reasons जिसकी वजह से a league with a 15 to 20 crore annual viewers and ranked 12th globally has met such a fate. First of all, is a 200 crore rupee fee which the All India Football Federation is demanding from the top bidders. Second is the centralization of administration of the ISL which the AIFF is demanding, यानी कि पैसा आप दो और फुटबॉल ISL हम चलाएंगे. On the top of that, the ISL has incurred a loss of 3,000 to 5,000 crore rupees over the years since its inception in 2014, and the previous commercial right holder, that is the Football Sports Development Limited, has also incurred a loss almost every year running the tournament except for the last previous cycle where it became profitable. Well, इन सब के अलावा एक speculation ये भी लगाया जा रहा है कि poor form of the Indian national football team is the reason that why the bidders are so pessimistic about the future of ISL. Well, yes, there are problems with the financial structure and the sustainability of ISL, and with respect to the poor form of the Indian national team as well. But don't you think that halting a tournament which is so central and so important to India's football future without any sort of safety net is something which is justified? Do leave in comments what you think about this issue and follow Strength to Strength for more such insights on the sports that you love.